Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karin Dasan. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about lower left back pain. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all, please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Lower left back pain. Sometimes lower back pain is felt on just one side of the body. Some people experience constant pain while others have an ache that comes and goes. The type of back pain one feels can vary as well. Many people experience a stabbing sharp pain while others feel more of a dull ache. In addition, people with lower back pain react differently to pressure and movement. It helps some but can make the pain worse for others. Now, what causes lower left back pain? The most common cause of lower left back pain are soft tissue damage of muscles or ligaments that support the spine, injury to the spinal column, such as disc or facet joints of the spine, a condition involving internal organs such as kidneys, intestines, or reproductive organ. Now it comes to soft tissue damage when muscles in the lower back are strained, overused, and overstretched, or ligaments are sprained, overstretched, or torn. Inflammation can occur. Inflammation can lead to muscle spasm, which can result in pain. Now, spinal column damage. Lower back pain from spinal column damage is commonly caused by herniated lumbar disc, osteoarthritis in facet joint, dysfunction of sacroiliac joint. Then it comes to internal organ problems. Lower left back pain can be an indication of a problem within abdominal organs such as kidney function or kidney infection, kidney stones, pancreatitis, ulcerative colitis, gynecological disorders such as endometriosis, and fibroids. Your lower left back pain could be caused by a serious condition. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience unusual weakness in your lower body, tingling in your lower body, nausea, vomiting, shortness of breath, dizziness, confusion, fever, chills, painful urination, blood in the urine, incontinence. Then it comes to treating lower left back pain, self-care. The first step in treating lower back pain is commonly self-care, such as rest. Take a day or two off from strenuous activity. Then it comes to avoidance. Avoid or minimize activities or positions that aggravate your pain. Then it comes to OTC medication, over the counter. Anti-inflammatory pain and medications such as aspirin, brufen, and naproxen can help reduce discomfort. Then it comes to ice heat therapy. Cold packs can reduce swelling and heat can increase blood flow and relax muscle tension. Then it comes to see your doctor. A visit to your doctor, the second step in treating lower back pain, may be necessary. If your self-care efforts are not producing results from lower back pain, your doctor might prescribe muscle relaxant drugs such as baclofen, and this is most commonly used to reduce muscle tightness and spasm. Then it comes to so many drugs which will help you by the doctor in order to reduce the pain. Then it comes to the surgery. Third step is surgery. Typically, this is a last resort for the severe pain that has not responded well to 6 to 12 weeks of other treatment. Alternative care. Some people who suffer from lower back pain try alternative care such as acupuncture or meditation or massage. That's all about the lower back pain in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.